Hello students, welcome to Matholearn in the Factorization part 2. In the Factorization part 2, because we have already done Factorization part 1, there you have learned a beautiful identity a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b, and you have solved couple of questions and you have seen how the factorization can be done. Today we will take the same a square minus b square formula and we will see more difficult level questions. Then in this video, the factorization of based on the identity a square minus b square will be over. So let's see, these are the questions we are going to attempt in today's video. So here is the question number 1. There you can see 2x to the power 4 minus 32, and this you have to factorize using a square minus b square, and you have to write this 2x to the power 4 in the square form. But again, 2 is not a square number, neither 32 is a square number. So you know the trick that sir, 2 is coming common as 2 and 32. In both the terms, 2 is present because 32 you can write 2 into 16. So what we will do? So what we are going to do? 2 as a common, and there will be x to the 4 in the bracket and then 16. So 2x to the 4 minus 32 has been written distributively 2 into x to the 4 minus 16. Now you have to look into these things, because I told you to use different brackets. Because why? You have to understand, x to the 4 you can write x square and whole to the power 2, because x to the 4 you can write x square into x square. So x4 I can write in the form of x square whole to the power 2, and the 16 you can write 4 to the power 2. Now if you see carefully, this a square minus b square, suppose a square minus b square is the identity, then what is the a? A comes as x square. Don't say a is like x, because x to the 2 and there also a power is there as 2. That means a square minus b square, here you have to treat a as x square and b as 4. There students often make mistake. So here 2 inside the bracket you have to write x square plus 4 into x square minus 4. So suppose now you can see, again students may think that my factorization is over, but it is not over. X square minus 4, again you can see it is coming in the form of a square minus b square. So what I will do? 2x square plus 4 you can take it outside safely. Why? Because you don't know how to factorize x square plus 4. So you cannot do, you take it out. Now x square minus 4, x square minus 4 you can write as 2 square, isn't it? So further 2 into x square plus 4, and you know how to factorize x square minus 2 square, x plus 2 into x minus 2. I think these things you have done already in the lecture 1. Now something new is coming here. Something new is coming here. See, x cube minus 5x square minus x plus 5, and you will be surprised that this also to be solved by x square minus y square, or you can say a square minus b square identity. But it doesn't look like it is fitting in the a square minus b square identity. Here you can see x cube minus x square. Here you have to take common in this group. X cube minus 5x square. What you can take common in these two terms? You can do x square. If you take x square, then it is coming x and it is coming minus 5. This much is clear because x square into x, x cube, and x square into 5x is x square into 5 is 5x square. Now from here, from these two terms, minus x plus 5. If minus x plus 5, you can take common minus 1. Minus 1. Why I took minus 1 common, I will explain. So minus 1, then minus 1 into x becomes minus x. So here it is minus x. So here it will come x. Because x into minus 1, minus x. So minus 1, once you have taken common, the remaining it will be plus x. And then again, from plus 5 you have taken minus 1. So you know plus 5 equal to minus 1 into minus 5. Minus 1 you have taken out, so minus 1 into minus 5 here, so here it is minus 5 is remaining. This is very important to know when you are taking common minus 1 from a plus integer, the integer sign will change because minus into minus becomes positive. So minus 1 into minus 5 is plus 5. Now you see in this group x square minus x square into x minus 5, and in this group minus 1 into x minus 5. This x minus 5 in both the terms is common. So x minus 5 you can take it out as common. From here and from here, x minus 5 you are taking common. So you have to see from here x minus 5 you have taken common. So what is remaining? X square. So x square you have to write. And now from here also you have taken x minus 5 common outside. So here only minus 1 you will find. Correct? This much you have not applied anything about a square minus b square identity. But I said this has to be completed by doing a square minus b square identity. Now you see, if you x minus 5 is already as a factor, it cannot be factorized further, but this one, x square minus 1 is square of 1. So x square minus 1 square, you can write x plus 1 into x minus 1. So here you have applied the identity of a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. Okay, let's see question number 3. 9x plus a whole square minus 4x square. Now this is also very important concept. See, 9 is a square number, we know. 3 to the power 2. X plus a whole square, it is already in the square form. And this is also, you can find out now, 2x whole square is 4x square. So what is the problem? What is the challenge? Where the students make mistake. Students think 9 into x plus a is the square number. No, you have to make it a single square number. 9 into x plus a whole square, you have to make a single square number. How to do it? Put a curly bracket here, and you know 3 into 3, 9. So 3 square becomes 9. So 3 into x plus a, and then you put again curly bracket and then put a square. Now what is the difference from this and this? Here 9 is not inside the x plus a, but now 9 is inside this bracket. So it becomes 3 into x plus a whole square equal to 9 into x plus a whole square. I think it is clear. Minus here 4x whole square, so minus 2x whole square. Okay, now a square minus b square, we can write first one is written, then the plus and the second one means 2x. So a plus b is complete. Now into a minus b again, 3 into x plus a, 3 into x plus a, and then minus b, 2x, bracket closed. Now you can simplify this. 3 into x plus a, 3x plus 3a, 3x plus 3a plus 2x into again 3x plus 3a minus 2x, bracket closed. Now you can see the like terms here, 3x and 2x both are like terms. So you can do 3x plus 2x, 5x plus 3a into 3x minus 2x. Here also I am finding like terms, but 3x minus 2x is x plus 3a. Some people say 3x minus 2x is 1x, nothing wrong, but usually we write 1x as x. So this is the factorization of 9 into x plus a whole square minus 4x square equal to 5x plus 3a into x plus 3a. If you like the video, please give a like and share with your friends. Now look at this. 3 minus 12 into a minus b whole square. You may find it is similar with the number 3 question, but there is something difference. Initially you understand the 3, if you can take common, then 3 into 1, 3, so it will come 1, and minus 3 4s are 12, so 4 into a minus b whole square. This much is okay. Now keeping 3 outside, 1 means 1 square minus 4 into a minus b whole square. You have to put the same method, 2 inside a bracket and a minus b together. So if you are putting 2 and a minus b both together, that means 2 into a minus b, and whole together means you are putting a curly bracket around them and then putting a square. That means it is a minus b whole square and 2 square, which is coming 4. So now you can see inside this a square minus b square form is coming. That means a plus b into a minus b. Here you have to take very careful, 1 plus 2 into a minus b, and this is 1 factor, a plus b complete. But when you are doing a minus b, that means first thing minus 2 into a minus b. Here you have to solve it nicely. Take care of the sign, otherwise your answer will be wrong. Now 3 and inside the bracket 1 plus 2 into a 2a plus into minus minus 2 into b 2b, and another factor will be 1 minus 2 into a minus 2a, but minus into minus plus and plus 2b. Here most of the people make mistake. They don't take care of the sign. While multiplying, you must take care that plus into minus minus and minus into minus becomes plus. So number 4, here it is completed. Hope you understood this. Number 5. Number 5c. Again, you have to use a square minus b square identity, but people will not find how to use a square minus b square identity. See, if you look very carefully, you find x square, y, yz and z. That means y is here, z is here and yz is here. That means y and z have some relation with them, right? But x square is not related to y or z. Why I am telling this? Just look here. If I put y square, yz and z square inside a bracket, we have to take a common. Common minus common I have taken. So all the sign will change. Minus y square become plus y square and plus 2yz becomes minus 2yz and minus z square becomes plus z square. I hope you understood why the signs get changed, because minus into plus minus, minus into minus plus, and again minus into plus minus. So when you are taking minus as a common, then inside the bracket all the terms sign will change. Now if you have learnt a formula a square minus 2ab plus b square equal to a minus b whole square, the first identity of the algebra, I hope that you have all learnt it properly. Then a square minus 2ab plus b square, if comes a minus b whole square, then I can write y square minus 2yz plus z square as y minus z, y minus z whole square. Will you agree with me? Okay. Now first thing is square minus second thing is square. Now it comes a square minus b square formula. So a is x and b is y minus z. So once we will do addition and once we will do subtraction. That's it. So first thing plus second thing. First thing minus second thing, because first thing is x and second thing is y minus z. Addition we have done. Now a minus b, that means x minus y minus z. How to put y minus z? Inside a bracket. Inside a bracket. If you don't do inside a bracket, certainly there are chances to make mistake. Whenever you are giving minus, please put a bracket after the minus. So here x plus y minus z, and it is x minus y and minus into minus plus z. So this is the factorization of x square minus y square plus 2yz plus z minus z square. So when initially you have seen, could you understand this factorization has to be done by the a square minus b square formula. X square minus 4x plus 4y minus y square. Again, some surprise is waiting for you. Here, you think whatever you do, you will not find the clue. You will not find the clue, but some of you may find that x square minus y square, we know the formula x plus y into x minus y. So let us rearrange the thing. How to rearrange? X square and then minus y square I can put after this, and then minus 4x plus 4y. This is called the rearranging the terms. What we did? We rearranged the terms, and we can do, this is commutative property and you are allowed to do that. So now if you see x square minus y square, the formula you can apply x plus y into x minus y. Fine? And here minus 4x plus 4y. If you take minus 4 common, then minus 4 common you have taken. So here only plus x is remaining. So you have to put x. And when minus 4 you have taken from the plus 4, you are getting minus 1. Somewhere I explained you, when from the plus integer you are taking minus common, then in the bracket you have to put minus, because minus into minus only becomes plus. So 1y, that means y. Now just notice here and here, x minus y is available here and x minus y also present in the next one. So if you take common x minus y from the both of the terms, then in this term only x plus y, and you are getting x minus y has come out, so only you are getting minus 4 here, minus 4. These are all the factorization methods. Altogether almost 12 factorization I have shown you in these 2 videos, video number 1 or 2. If you have missed the video number 1, I will put a link in the description box. Please watch them, and then again you watch this, probably it will be more helpful.